In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split text into multiple pieces of data using Zapier's formatter. Whether you're automating workflows in your business or just simplifying your tasks, this skill is a fantastic addition to your toolkit. So, let's jump right in. First, head over to the Zapier website. If you're not already familiar, Zapier is a powerful platform that allows you to connect different apps and automate workflows seamlessly. You'll find Zapier an invaluable resource if you're in need of automating repetitive tasks. Once you're on the Zapier homepage, click on the Login button at the upper right corner of the page to access your account. Enter your credentials, and you'll be directed to your Zapier home dashboard. This dashboard is your command center where you can manage your Zaps, which are the automated workflows you create with Zapier. Now that you're in, navigate to Zapier Home, which is the hub for all your existing and potential automation endeavors. From here, look for the Zaps section on your dashboard. Clicking on Zaps will take you to a page where all your existing workflows are listed. But for this tutorial, we want to create a new one. When you're ready to begin, find the Create a Zap button. This is where the magic starts. By clicking it, you initiate the process of building a new automated workflow. You'll be prompted to add steps to your Zap, and it's here that you channel your creativity in structuring automation that meets your needs. To proceed, you'll want to add a new action step to your workflow. Do this by selecting Add Steps, and then use the search bar to look for Formatter by Zapier. This tool is incredibly versatile, allowing you to manipulate and transform data in numerous ways. When you see Formatter by Zapier in the results, click on it to continue. With Formatter open, select the Text option. It's a straightforward choice if your task involves managing and transforming plain text data. After selecting Text, you'll see a variety of functions that you can perform. But to split your text into multiple segments, you'll want to choose the Split Text action. This powerful feature allows you to dissect a single string of text into manageable chunks based on your specified criteria, such as commas, spaces, or other delimiters that separate your data. At this point, you can define exactly how you want the splitting process to occur. The formatter will prompt you to specify which text you want to split and what delimiter is used. This enables you to customize the splitting process perfectly for your dataset. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've learned how to harness Zapier's formatter to split text into multiple pieces, paving the way for more advanced data manipulation and automation in your workflows. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe for more handy Zapier tutorials and automation tips.